Welcome to all. सभी को नमस्कार. Today I am sharing with you the details of a international conference. The theme of the conference is Yoga and Neurosciences, Traditions and Research Approaches. The virtual meeting will be organized on 9th, 10th, 16th and 17th October 2020. तो आज मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ कि एक जो इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस होने जा रही है जिसका थीम है योगा एंड न्यूरोसाइंसेस, ट्रेडिशंस एंड रिसर्च अप्रोचेस. तो उसके बारे में हम जानेंगे आज डिटेल में. तो इसका शेड्यूल जानने से पहले आइए देखते हैं कुछ डिटेल्स और फिर हम देखेंगे एमिनेंट स्पीकर्स, हु आर द एमिनेंट स्पीकर्स हेयर. सो लेट्स चेक द डिटेल्स. देखिए, योगा विच टुक इट्स रूट इन इंडिया हैज़ स्प्रेड इट्स ब्रांचेस ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड and has benefited millions of people around the globe. To understand how this has been possible, we need to approach yoga as a science and not just a mystical practice. The aim of this conference is to bring forward all the traditions of yoga to an international platform, understand the science behind it, and communicate this to other sciences as well. In the backdrop of the current COVID-19 pandemic, sessions are planned in a unique way. The 4 brief sessions over 2 weekends with a connecting yogic breeze consisting of exclusive online live yoga sessions for 1 hour every day from 11th to 15th October. The sessions would be conducted by masters from different schools of yoga participating in the conference. तो देखिए, इस दौरान जो 4 ब्रीफ सेशंस होंगे 2 वीकेंड्स में 9, 10, 16 और 17 अक्टूबर को, और देखिए 11 से 15 अक्टूबर तक डेली 1 आवर का लाइव योगा सेशन होगा जो कि काफ़ी यूज़फुल रहेगा पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए. और रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक मैं आपको इस वीडियो के जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स है उसमें प्रोवाइड करवा दूंगा, तो आप वहां से लिंक से आप रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हो. और डिटेल्स हैं, क्या फ़ीस रहेगी और रजिस्ट्रेशन का वे क्या होगा वो मैं लास्ट में आपको बताऊँगा इस वीडियो के. सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू. लेट्स चेक हु आर द की नोट स्पीकर्स. आइए देखते हैं की नोट स्पीकर्स कौन है. तो देखिए, डॉक्टर BN गंगाधर, डायरेक्टर निमहैंस बेंगलुरु. डॉक्टर HR नागेंद्र, चांसलर S व्यास योगा यूनिवर्सिटी बेंगलुरु. डॉक्टर सेल्वामूर्ति, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ MIT साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इनोवेशन फाउंडेशन न्यू दिल्ली. डॉक्टर विनोद देशमुख, Professor of Neurology, University of Florida, USA. Dr. S.K. Chaturvedi, Senior Professor, Department of Psychiatry, NIMHANS. Next, Dr. Balchandar Subramaniam, Associate Professor of Anesthesia, Harvard Medical School, USA. Dr. Satvir Singh Khalsa, Associate Professor, Harvard Medical School and Director of Research, Kripal Center of Yoga, USA. Dr. Ravindra Pant, former director, now Nalanda Mahavyar, Nalanda University, India. Dr. Srinivasan Narayan, Professor, Center of Behavior and Cognitive Sciences, University of Allahabad, India. Dr. Sele, Director of Research, Patanjali Research Foundation, Patanjali Yogpith, Haridwar. Next, Dr. Manoj Naik, Consultant Physician and Anger Yoga Expert, Krishna Hospital, Pune. Dr. Ramesh Mathur, Professor of Life Sciences, Research Laboratories, S. Vyasa, Yoga University, Bengaluru. Dr. Raghavendra Rao, Director, Central Council for Research in Yoga and Naturopathy, New Delhi. Dr. Vinoda, Research Head, Sri Sri Center for Advanced Research, Bengaluru. Next, Dr. Madhur Rai, International Sahaj Yoga Research and Health Center, Greater Noida. Dr. R. Nagaratan, Director, Arogya Dham, S. Vyasa, Bengaluru. Dr. Akshay Anand, Professor, Department of Neurology, PGI, Chandigarh. Dr. Santosh Rai, International Sahaj Yoga Research and Health Center, Greater Noida, India. Next, Dr. Bindu, Professor, Department of Neurophysiology, NIMHANS, Bengaluru. Dr. T.N. Satyaprabha, Professor and Head Department of Neurophysiology, NIMHANS. Dr. Malabhaskar Rao, Professor of Neurosurgery, NIMHANS. Dr. Kaviraj, Additional Professor, Department of Neurophysiology, NIMHANS. Dr. Sivrama, Professor of Psychiatry, Head of Department of Integrative Medicine, NIMHANS. Dr. R.T., Associate Professor of Psychiatric Social Work, NIMHANS. Dr. Kishore Kumar, Assistant Professor of Ayurveda, NIMHANS. Dr. Hemant Bhargav, Assistant Professor of Yoga, NIMHANS. Dr. Bharat, Assistant Professor of Psychiatry, NIMHANS. So these were the keynote speakers. Now let's check the schedule. Day 1st, October 9. Timing, topic, speaker, moderator. Timing 4 to 5 p.m. Inauguration presided over by Professor B.N. Gangadhar. 5 to 5:40 p.m. Topic is History and Evolution of Iyengar Yoga, its application in mental health. Speaker is Dr. Manoj Naik, moderator Dr. Aarti. Next, 5:40 to 6:20 p.m. History and Evolution of Kundalini Yoga, its application in mental health. Dr. Satbir Singh Khalsa, speaker, and Dr. Bharat, moderator. Next, 6:20 to 7 p.m. Need for standardized yoga programs in healthcare. Dr. B.N. Gangadhar. Next, 7 to 7:30 p.m. poster presentation. 7:30 to 8 p.m. Yoga for COVID-19 practical session. Next, day 2, October 10. Timing 4:30 to 5:10 p.m. Topic is History and Evolution of Ayurveda approach, its application in mental health. Speaker Dr. Ramesh Mathur, moderator Dr. Hemant Bhargav. Next, 5:10 to 5:50 p.m. Topic is History and Evolution of Patanjali Yoga, its application in mental health. Speaker faculty from Patanjali Yoga Peeth. Next, 5:50 to 6:30 p.m. Yoga in Times of COVID-19 by Dr. H.R. Nagendra. Next, 6:30 to 8 p.m. Research Symposium. Speaker Chairperson. Let's check. 6:30 to 7 p.m. An overview of yoga research by Satbir Singh Khalsa, moderator Dr. R. Nagarathan. Session 2, 7 to 7:30 p.m. Topic Scientific Grant Writing and Funding Opportunities. Dr. Akshay Anand, Dr. Raghavendra Rao. Next, 7:30 to 8 p.m. Session 3, Update on Ongoing Projects in Yoga and Meditation by Dr. Sivaram and moderator Dr. Mal Bhaskar Rao. Next, October 11 to 15, 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Live Yoga Practice Sessions by Yoga Schools. तो देखिए अक्टूबर 11 से 15, 4:30 से लेके 5:30 p.m. के बीच में लाइव योगा सेशन होगा. नेक्स्ट देखिए डे 3, अक्टूबर 16. टाइमिंग 4:30 to 5:10 p.m. टॉपिक हिस्ट्री एंड इवोल्यूशन ऑफ सुदर्शन क्रिया, आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग, इट्स एप्लीकेशन इन मेंटल हेल्थ. डॉक्टर विनोदा, moderator Dr. Kishore Kumar. Next, 5:10 to 5:50 p.m. Topic History and Evolution of Sahaj Yoga, its application in mental health by Dr. Santosh Rai and Dr. Madhur Rai. Dr. Kaviraj, moderator. Next, 5:50 to 6:30 p.m. Topic Integrating Yoga into Mainstream Medicine by Dr. Selle, Patanjali Yoga Peeth, Haridwar. Next, 6:30 to 7:20 p.m. poster presentation. Next, 7:20 to 8 p.m. History and Evolution of Isha Yoga, its application in mental health. Dr. Bhalchandra Subramaniam and Dr. Sivrama. Next, day 4, October 17. Timing 4:30 to 7:10 p.m. Meditation Symposium. 4:30 to 5:10 p.m. Session 1, Relevance of Vipassana Meditation by Professor Ravinder Pant. 5:10 to 5:50 p.m. Session 2, Self and Circadian Information Processing, Neuroscience and Yoga Perspective by Professor Vinod Deshmukh. Next, 5:50 to 6:30 p.m. Session 3, Meditation and Cognition by Professor Srinivasan Narayan. 6:30 to 7:10 p.m. Keynote address, Yoga and Meditation for Holistic Health Scientific Perspective by Professor Selamurthy. 7:10 to 8 p.m. valedictory preceded or by Professor S.K. Chaturvedi. So this was the schedule. Now let's check the other details. So this conference is organized by the National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, NIMHANS, Bengaluru, India, in collaboration with S. Vyasa Yoga University, Bengaluru, supported by R.N. Murthy Foundation for Mental Health and Neurosciences. Now registration fee for Indian candidates 1020 rupees, and for overseas candidates $50, and this is the link. I have already told you that registration link is available in description box of this video, and these are the contact number, email ID. So if you face any problem, you can contact here. So this was the today's information. Thank you.